express 0.25 in the form of phi by q. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit we have to consider 10. 2 digit after decimal, so we have to write 2 tens. Of course, we have to place multiplication sign between tens. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? Just divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. Or so this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. If I divide this 10 by 5, I will get 2. If I divide 25 by 5, I will get 5. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I will get 1, I will get 2 if I divide. So we are getting 1, 2 times 2, 4. The common factor between 1 and 4 just 1. So we can say that this is the reduced term or lowest term.